I'm super excited to try out this wet fart spray from Laughing Smith. One of my good friends is always pranking me, and I think this is going to be the perfect way to get back at him. But before we do, I better give it a test. Oh, that smells terrible. Oh man, it smells like poop. Oh jeez, that's like the inside of a porta potty poop. I think just one squirt's gonna be more than enough. Oh man, wet fart spray from Laughing Smith. It's definitely gonna be a good way to get back at my prankster buddy. Oh, why did I do that in here? It's on me. Ugh.